Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel here with Electric Cuts. And let me show you what I got. I got a new toy. It's the Greenworks Pro 60 volt lithium max. I'm starting to switch over to the 60 volt line from Greenworks because I had the Snapper brand and it's been discontinued, so now I'm starting to switch over to the Greenworks Pro. I can still use my batteries as long as I do a small hack to the battery compartments on the Greenworks. So let's take a look at this one. There's a lot of reviews out there on this mower, but I just wanted to show you a little quick unboxing. Here's the bag. Nice, I like it in color black. I have a very similar mower to this. It's the Snapper 60 volt. It's practically the same thing, just rebranded. Okay, we got the owner's manual, some packaging stuff. Ooh, this is the side chute. Nice side discharge chute. More packaging, and here's the mower in here. So I'm not gonna be able to pull it out using one hand, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out of here off the video. But it looks really nice, guys. I was able to get this at Lowe's for $1.99, so an awesome deal that I was able to get on this. I don't know if there's still any more out there, but if you do go to Lowe's, make sure to ask in the customer service section to see if they have any on-stock items or out-of-stock items. This one, the Greenworks Pro 60 volt lithium, and this one is the brushless motor, and it's the Self Propelled. So yeah, really nice mower, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out, and then just show you a little bit of how what the features are, and yeah, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so here it is out of the box. It was a little bit heavy to get out, but there it is. It's got a whole bunch of safety warnings back here. And it's rear wheel drive, so you see the covers on the back wheels to protect the gearing, so not too many rocks or dirt get in there and mess up the drivetrain there on the back. Check that out. It's 21-inch deck, and this is metal. So there it is, out of the box. Here is the business side of this mower. There's the drivetrain. That's what drives the wheels. And then here's the deck, the inside of it. I like that it doesn't have any baffling. A lot of them, they'll have some baffling here, especially the rear wheel drives, the gas ones, or the front wheel drives. They might have some other baffling. But this one is clean all the way around. You can tell that it's a brushless motor because it does that. It almost seems like it's just magnets that are causing the resistance. So it's a very smooth motion, very little resistance. So there it is. And then I like that it has these fins here to catch the grass and direct it towards the deck as you're going over it. It combs it, and then it allows it to cut. Very nice, very nice. And I also like that the metal comes all the way around to the front here. So it's got a plastic insert, but it's metal all the way through, so that helps it to have better durability. So this plastic thing doesn't break off and then you have to replace it. So definitely helps with durability. Another thing, it has ball bearing wheels, so that allows for easier pushing or less rolling resistance when you're pushing along, and that definitely helps with efficiency. So that helps with to not allow the battery to drain that quickly. It's got this flap in the back to protect you from rocks kicking up on the back. So really nice design, guys. I really like it. So far it looks very good. We're gonna give it a try. We're gonna give it a run, probably if not today, tomorrow, because we're expecting rain on Saturday. So we'll see how that goes. Let me go ahead and put the rest of it together. One of the handles is still off, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on and show you guys how to do that. Okay, so first you have to put the wires into this loop here. This one I still haven't put it in yet. So the way you do this is you're gonna push that way to take it out. You're gonna bring your wire up, put it in there, and then you can either push in like this, which is kind of hard. I would just recommend pulling it back around like that and then slipping it in, and your wire's there. And then you got to take these off, put the bolts through, and reconnect. Put this on here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. There you go, guys, and make sure that this bolt is in correctly, because if you put it like this, you don't want that. You see how it has a little bit of a curvature? It has a curve here. That's supposed to go like that so that it seats properly. If you put it like this, it's not seating properly. You gotta put it that way. And then you hold this one in, push in on this one and turn it, and it'll go in. Just try not to strip the screw there. You don't want to over tighten them. That's good enough. So there we have it. That part's in. Now you gotta take this one off, get that pin out of there. Kind of lift up a little bit on the handle, and then you turn it. Leave it there. This one too. Pull up a little bit on the handle so that pin can get released. Turn it, and it has those to hold it right there in the middle. and then you can pull the handle up. As you can see, pull the handle up, and then once you have the handle all the way to where you need it, you can release these pins there and insert them in whatever position you want. The top one is a high handle, medium handle, and the bottom one's the lowest placement for the handle, height adjustment. I chose the highest handle adjustment, so I kind of like it. I'm gonna leave it there for now. It feels good. The wires here, maybe I can turn it around once more just to kind of keep them tidy. Be careful with the wire down here when you're turning this one. I got it caught on this right now, so just be aware of that. This handle adjustment, guys, is one of the easiest to operate because it's spring loaded. You just got to hold the mower in place and it'll come up real easy. 7, and then I might even cut in a slot here for like an 8 or way back here to get even that extra height, especially for when I'm cutting St. Augustine grass, when my customers want a high cut. It's pretty high, the cut, but it can still be a little bit higher. It feels pretty light, lighter than most mowers. It's easy to push to pick up the front. So far so good. I gotta put the battery in and then we'll turn it on for you guys and we'll see what it sounds like. If you guys are wondering why the battery and the charger were not in the box, it's because I had already taken them out to charge the battery. This one's a 5 amp hour battery. It's already fully charged. So we're gonna go ahead and drop it in the mower. Pull this handle up. It's got some magnets there that hold this thing down. So we're gonna put it in there. And then it's got this lock, this key lock that you can take off so that it doesn't start, especially if you have kids. I don't have kids, so I'm just gonna leave that in there because I don't want to lose it. And then you press in. Okay, there we go. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh, I gotta get this off first. Get this off. You press the button first. There it tells you number 1, press the button, and then number 2, pull the top handle back. Button pressed, handle back. Really nice. Now let's check out the the self-propelled. Okay, so I think it's backwards here because it's got it all the way to the front for the fast speed, the turtle to the back, but it felt like it's kind of slow. I don't know if it's just wow, this thing takes a while to kind of spool up. That's really interesting. It does take a while to spool up, but wow, that is interesting. It takes a minute. I don't know if this one is just defective or what. Or it just seems to me like it just takes a very long time. Wow. Okay. Well, we'll have to, maybe it just needs a little bit of a break-in period. I'm gonna play around with it a little bit and then we'll see what's up. Alrighty guys, stay tuned. Go ahead and comment, share, like, subscribe to my channel. My next video will be a video of me using this to mow my lawn, the front lawn, because the back is pretty much dirt. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Comment, share, like, subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.